This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Oscar Fortune. Are you ready to move to the country? This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on 7.5 acres and is just minutes from Stillwater. It was renovated in 2015 with new roof, HVAC and new wiring to the well house. Home is total electric. There is also a large 24 by 30 shop/storage building. The property has a pond and room for a horse or two. Plenty of possibilities with this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Oscar Fortune at 405-747-6042.